Is it even worth buying a pre-built PC in 2026? Let's dig in and find out. So I was recently kind of in the market to buy a gaming PC. So I was going to like Best Buy, Walmart, shopping on Amazon, and I was a little kind of blown away with the prices. I was like, man, they're getting up there. So here's just one of the examples on Best Buy's website. This is an entry level gaming PC. It's got a 5060 in it. So this is the bottom tier graphics card that they have in that generation. We have an i5, which again is like mid tier, and maybe not even mid tier because they have an i7 still, and then an i9. But we have 16 gigs and 1 terabyte of M.2 storage. And 1 terabyte's probably like the minimum you want to go nowadays anyway. But so I'm thinking like I could walk into my local Best Buy and buy this right now. Come home, I could be back. I could leave right now, be back in an hour and be gaming right now. Or I can go option 2 and build my own like I have been in the past. By far it was the cheapest option. And you just get to pick and choose your own components. Well, I'm going to try to build a PC on Amazon with the same exact specs as this. I've got everything in the cart. So let's kind of dig in and get started. So that other one came with a keyboard and a mouse combo. I just picked the cheapest one here for 45 bucks. We got a CPU cooler again. This is one of the cheapest ones I could find on there. It's only 35 bucks. Now, I don't know exactly what 5060 is in that other one, but this one is about the cheapest I could find on Amazon. It is a triple fan though, so great cooling, and it's about the cheapest one I could find for $360. Now, when I was looking in the windows at Walmart and Best Buy, almost all the time it was some generic motherboard, like the cheapest you could find. So I did that here. I just got some cheap $120 motherboard that would fit that i5 in it. Now the power supply, have no idea what's in any of those at Walmart, Best Buy, whatever. So I just went with a 750 power supply here. You don't want to cheap out on that. At least go hard with the power supply a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So $100, not the best, but definitely not the cheapest. I just went with a Kingston 1 terabyte. This was about the cheapest one I could find. M.2, so 159. And this right here, guys, dude, 262 for 16 gigs of RAM. Like literally, seriously, guys, that should be like 80 bucks. That's crazy. $262. Dude, the processor was only 159. That's crazy. But we got the i5 processor here, and then we got our case. Our case is very similar to the one on Best Buy. If you look, it's got the 3 side mounted fans here, plus the one in the back. This one has 4 pre-installed fans. This one, in my opinion, is a little better because it says it's got 6. All right, so better airflow, and it has the same front clear panel, the same side one, so it's the same kind of thing, right? But if you look at the price though, we're at $1,304. This one is at $1,299. So we're already over the budget. And there's a couple things you got to take into consideration too. This one, you open it out of the box, plug it in, boom, you're ready to go, right? Maybe some Windows updates and that's it. That other one though, on Amazon here, we still need the thermal paste. I didn't even include that in there. I know thermal paste is only a couple bucks, 10 bucks at Best Buy or whatever, but that's still putting us $14 over the limit. And we don't have a Windows key. So depending on where you're going to get your Windows key, that's already putting you well over the limit. Not only that, but you got to make a boot file. If you're not familiar with how to do that, like, it's already complicated. And then you got to update the BIOS and just make sure everything's tuned. And I don't know, like for me, I'm kind of out because it's more expensive. You still got to do all the cable management and just build it, and it takes time. And then there's room for error and chances you'll break something, or I don't know, man. Like, I'm kind of at this point more inclined to just walk into Best Buy, buy this, and be done with it. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Are you gonna buy this or still build your own? I'm more inclined to just buy this. I built PCs, so don't get me wrong. Like I know how to do it. I'm not intimidated by it or anything, but I'm like, it's not saving me any money. If anything, it's costing me more money. And then I just got to go through the headache of building it and doing this whole day of just tinkering with software. And yeah, you know what I mean. But if you made it this far in the video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to sub if you want. We're going to make more content like this in the future. And let me know your thoughts. Did you build one? Did you buy one? What did you get? Let me know all that stuff down below. I'm curious. Maybe it'll help my decision in the future, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.